Yesterday I missed him, but he's back again today. Be nice view of him. How that works. It's a bit hot for old Starsky. Bit too hot for you. Come on, you can make it. That's what we all need trees for, Stars? For the shade. He's just down there filming the nature, and then we come up here, Starsky's found the polystyrene paper, and again all the trees and bottles and more rubbish here. We're going to carry on down this way and down there, so we can see what we can find. Now again we're finding more rubbish under the trees. There's a bucket there, there's a bag of rubbish just being dumped here. You can see quite clearly. And you come along here. This is a beautiful area. There's all building material been dumped over the side. Just plastic, everything else in. From here you've got a beautiful view of the sea just down there. But look at the colour of it, it's absolutely incredible. Now you wouldn't mind that view outside of your front room, would you? But again, look, there's rubbish here. There's more rubbish all just been dumped down there. Amongst the cactuses, absolute beauty. These flowers are lovely. There's all life in there. Again, here you get a nice view of the sea. You can just get a bit of shots of those. I don't know if you can see it quite clearly. Inside there's a... It's going to come out well. By the look of it, when man's gone, the planet will definitely take over. That house is now being taken over by the planet, as you can see. So these gloves and masks are going to be absolutely everywhere. People ask me which do I enjoy the most, the walking or the cycling on the recumbent trike, and to be honest the walking was absolutely incredible. I really do enjoy the walking, but after doing 34,000 kilometres I think there's nothing one go, so we're on the trike now, and I don't know if Starsky could be able to walk that far. He's a bit of a sprinter, not a long distancer. And you Starsky, eh? Okay, just in case you're wondering who we are Starsky&Hutch, the 21st century environmental explorers on a world tour on a recumbent trike. It's incredible, there's all kinds of different fruits you can eat down here too. There we have a memory of the lockdown, that's over and done with. Hopefully now. It's got the rubbish, but some beautiful houses down this way. Just in case I haven't mentioned it, we're in the south of Italy. Yes, you'll find it, bottles and things in here. Yes. I say, sadly, you just come down the farmer's track. And there's rubbish here. There's a little plastic bottle there. Plastic bottle there. There's two more over there. More plastic in there. More plastic cloud in there. Cans. See what I'm saying? It's just everywhere. I don't know if you can just see in there a beautiful rose bush. The sea in the background. The wind is blowing. There's the plastic there. It's just, I don't know, it's everywhere. Just look in the bushes and you'll see it too. Yeah. You get a nice view here too. And that's the southern point of Manitaracha, where we're staying. But we're staying on by the sea, and that's the actual town itself. We're staying in Manitaracha by the sea, and this is the inland part of it. I really don't know how I end up finding these places, but if you just look down here, there's all the rubbish being dumped here too. So there's plastic in there, everything else. Yeah. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to end this video here because I want to make sure people see this last bit that I'm going to show you. I'd like to make it too long. You want to see, look, a nice beautiful spot here, you know, quiet, nobody around. And I just want to show you, look, you've got all this polystyrene here. Okay, but if you just come down here, you've got all this rubbish being dumped. You know, I'm just going to take a walk in, just so you can see it all being dumped down here. And we're in the middle of this absolutely most beautiful part, and it's just like everywhere. Look at it all. Again, how many? That's another refrigeration unit we found. Fuel goes down there too.